Are Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers good or bad? Quality Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are good to use as long as we install them correctly. The Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts between the wheel hub assembly and the wheel. High-quality Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers can help your vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Installing Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacer is a great way to fix wrong offset rubbing problems that installed between the wheel hub and the wheel, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increased inner wheel clearance, you are less limited to aftermarket brake and wheel options. These Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are helpful in terrain larger rims and wider tires. For rubbing against suspension components, there are performance benefits to upgrading with Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for smoother rides. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, with reduced risk. What's better? By spacing the wheels out from the suspension, the Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers provide a sporty and aggressive stance. Most people will agree that their vehicle looks better when the wheel gap is reduced. BONOSS optically Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are designed to perform well in heavy duty and any kind of 4x4 events. These Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers have high strength requirements. In addition, BONOSS optically Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacer. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve safety. To ensure a strong wheel spacer hub connection, BONOSS optically Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers feature ISO grade 12.9 wheel studs as well as ISO grade 10 leg nuts. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with authoritative SGS and DV certification reports. In addition, BONOSS optically Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drive peace of mind. Such BONOSS optically Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are surely a good option for your driving needs. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.